Hello and welcome to Talking Tech for your home-based business. We all know that our business runs much better and you can be way more productive when you use the right systems and tools. I'm Michelle Guinn and I'm here to not only show you some really cool tools, but also how to use them. The content in these videos are my own opinion, and I don't pretend to be an expert or know-it-all, but I'm good at figuring things out, so let's go. Today we're going to be talking about a wonderful tool that you can do so many things in, and that is Canva. Now remember to like and share this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't have to miss the latest and greatest information and on the best tools and systems for your business. Now, let's go ahead and get started. Now, Canva, if you watched my previous video, I went through a simple introduction to how to create a meme for Instagram, Facebook, whatever you would like to use that for. So I wanted to take a step back today and just show you what Canva is before you get signed up, kind of what the pricing plans are, and so you can make your own best decision on whether or not that this is a tool that would serve your business and help you out in your productivity and whatever it is that you're doing. I can say that if you post on Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, social media at all, this is a wonderful tool. It's also great for creating marketing materials. If you use any kind of printed marketing, you can create all of that here from Canva, as well as PowerPoint presentations. I've even created my own presentations for my speaking that I do. So it's a great tool, and so let me show you around a little bit before you get started, before you set up your account, so that you can understand a little bit more about it. So again, you can create any types of designs from social media to marketing, documents, prints. You can actually even order prints directly from Canva. Now, I have not done this personally, so I can't recommend the quality or anything about it, but maybe you want to check it out for yourself. Presentations, anything possible that you need to put together that has pictures and words on it, this is what you're going to use Canva for. Now, there are several plans that come with the program, and there is a free plan which is amazing. And let me just click on the plans here so you can kind of see. There's a free and there's a pro, which is the one that I use personally because I find that it has the most features and allows me the most benefits. But if you're not using it that often, or you are on a limited budget, you can certainly use the free one for as long as you like. Now, if I click on this to view the plans, it's going to show you that you can use it free forever. It comes with so many benefits, 250,000 free templates, 100 plus design types, hundreds of thousands of free photos and graphics. It really is very packed with a lot of features, 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. So if you find yourself that you're not quite sure how often you're going to use Canva, or if you're going to use it more for your business or a little bit less, maybe start with the free option, and then if you find you're using it more and you'd like to have the additional features, you can go ahead and upgrade it. So the Pro actually comes with 2 pricing options. You can either go with the yearly pricing option, which gives you a little bit of a discount at $9.99 per month for the entire year if you pay it up front. And then you also have the option, if you click here, to pay monthly. So it's $12.99 per month or $1.99 per year. Same package, but it has everything that you're going to need. It has all the templates and designs, I mean hundreds and thousands of them. Comes with premium stock photos and videos and graphics. So all those very nice photos that you see when you Google something and it says stock photo on it, or some other copywritten block that they put on things, you're going to get all those types of photos here included in your monthly or annual fee for this program. You also get upgraded cloud storage, so you get 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, which is amazing. And this feature actually I love, and it also prevents you from having to pay another service, but you can actually schedule your social media content right from Canva. So you can create your pictures, your memes, whatever it is, if you do inspirational quotes, whatever it is that you post to Facebook, Instagram, other social media platforms, you can create that directly in Canva and then schedule it out. So if you schedule your business posts a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks out, you can do that right here from Canva. So that is a really great feature. So I want to keep this video short today, but I wanted to make sure that I went over with you the different options of how you could get started with Canva and what the pricing features were for it. I will go ahead and put a link below this video so that you can go ahead and get your account set up. Again, I highly recommend to just go ahead, set up the free account, see how easy it is to use, how often you use it, and then if you find you want the advanced features, you can go ahead and sign up for the $12.99 per month. It's really not that much for the amount of benefit you get from it, and I can guarantee you, I know for myself, I use this constantly. So once you get to know it and you get to using it, it's going to be something that's well worth this monthly fee. All right, so until next time, I hope you all have a fantastic day, evening, whatever time it is for you. And please don't forget to like and share this video if you found it useful, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the next wonderful tool or tutorial. And I will talk to you soon.